Hi, so for this problem we have a given unsorted array of integers and we have to find a subarray which adds to a given number. And if there are more than one subarrays with sum as the given number, print any of them. For example, the sum is given -10 and we have to find that subarray which sums equal to -10. So in this case, like if we start from 10 to -2 -20, so all these four makes -10, and another one is -20 plus 10, this also makes -10, so we can print any one of them. To solve this problem, we first will have another variable called current sum, and we will compare it with the sum. Like if sum if current sum minus sum is equal to 0, which means like we found that subarray, and then we'll have the start index which starts from 0. We found the first array, and then that ith position where we found that difference. If we do not find the difference, then we will see we'll start putting maintaining a dictionary. We will use dictionary in this case. So if current sum minus sum is like not 0, we didn't get, so we'll see if that current sum minus sum, the difference of that is there in the dictionary or not. If it's not in the dictionary, then we will add that current sum in the dictionary, not the difference, and then we will keep adding, and when we find that the current sum that contains that key, then we will return that index. The start will be that +1, and then in will be at that index. Like I'll show it in the program, like how we are going to write the program. So first of all, I'll write a function. So it's like public static void subarray sum. So it will take array, size of the array, and the given sum. So initially we will take current sum equal to 0, then we'll take a start which denotes the start index. This will also be equal to 0, and then end can be -1. Like if we couldn't find the end, then we will return -1. So we'll create a dictionary first. Well, key value will be int, and the name of the dictionary will be dict. So new dictionary int. Okay, now we'll write the loop. So for int I equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. So current sum will be current sum plus a of I. So we will start adding each element into the current sum. Then we'll check if current sum minus sum equal to 0, then start will be 0 because we found it the first time, and the end will be I, and then we'll break this. We no need to traverse the whole thing. Okay, so this is like if we found, like if we do not, this is not 0, then we'll make use of the dictionary. So if dict dot contains key will check that current sum minus sum, this key is present in the dictionary or not. If it's present, then start will be the dict, then current sum minus sum plus 1, that index plus 1. Like if it is in the dictionary, if it is at 0, it was found at 0, then we'll plus 1, that is 1, and end will be I, the second, like, and I is like the second, the key. If we found the key again, like if the key was found and at which index it was found again, that will be the end I, and then we will break. So this is like if we found the key in the dictionary. Otherwise we will add the key. So dict current sum, we'll just add the current sum in the dictionary. Okay, so this is, now if end is equal to -1, then of course no, we'll print no subarray was found, no subarray with given sum. No subarray with given sum was found. Else will print that index. So console dot write line sum found between indexes, will provide the start index, which is stored in the start variable, plus 2 and the end index. This is how we'll solve this problem.